Welcome back to Mocha Eats TV. I'm going to be doing some fried rice, ham fried rice that is. And here are my ingredients, and I'm going to go ahead and get it started. I have my pot here that is already heated, and I'm going to start with my carrots. I did dice them thin so they can cook faster because they are fresh instead of frozen. Carrots are done. Now for my onions and peppers. Oh, I just love this combination. And you're just doing it until they're very translucent like this. Now for the ham. This is an easy recipe that you can use with old ham. However, this is turkey ham by JENNIE-O. Now for my rice, and just a drop of soy sauce. And a little bit more olive oil, and we'll go ahead and get this heated. Now what I'm going to do with my eggs, I'm going to fry my eggs and place them on top. Because I love that buttery taste, it's just a half tablespoon of butter. And now I'm going to go ahead and mix in the rest of my vegetables and meat. Oh my goodness, family, this smells absolutely amazing. And I'm just going to top this with a little table blend and get my eggs fried because this is done. Look at the colors, family. Look at the colors. Just look at them. Table blend, Mrs. Dash. Just a sprinkle, like so. Now for some more olive oil to fry my eggs. And notice I'm doing everything in this one pot so everything can soak up all of this goodness with the seasoning. Yes. Turn the egg off. Got to go in the garden to get some fresh scallion. All right, I'm just going to cut some scallion off like that. Hang it like that and then harvest these tomatoes. I've always wanted to be able to do this, so let's see if it will. I got it! Oh, isn't that beautiful? So now I'm going to put my egg on the side and dice or cut some scallion, fresh scallion, right on top. Here's the completed breakfast. Isn't that beautiful, family? So if you like this content, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Share my videos with all of your family and friends. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace. My mountain is falling.